Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys where you can find day 6 of the Little Splash Whale in Heartopia. So today is the olive one. You are able to find it here. So like in the campgrounds, on the campgrounds, it is the Olivine. Okay, it's Olivine Splash Whale. Is that even a color? Probably, but I just don't know it. Take a picture of it, of course, and then we are going to, how do I tap on it? Okay, you can go in and tap on it, and then the bubble will be right outside here on top of the dome area. The dome area, sorry. And that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.